End of this video, you are going to learn how you can easily change paper size in Microsoft Word. You can see the existing paper size. This is by default. If you want to change this paper size, simply just go to Layout option. And you can see the size option. Simply click on drop down arrow. By default, it's selected letter size. If you want to change, you can choose any other from here. This is A4 size. Simply click on it to change. If you want to change custom size, simply go to more paper size. Then adjust width or height. There is the preview. Simply click on OK. There you can see the output. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe the channel for more new updates.